Earth Day muffins. These muffins are special to celebrate the Earth. They are colorful and flavorful. They also represent the ocean and the land on Earth with blue and green colors. Ingredients. Make sure to set all of your ingredients out neatly on your cooking surface before you start cooking. If you don't have ground up gingerbread, just use 2 cups of flour and add a little bit of cinnamon. Directions. Number 1. Preheat the oven to 380 degrees. Number 2. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the flour, gingerbread crumbs, and baking powder. Mix until combined well. Again, if you don't have gingerbread crumbs, put cinnamon in instead and 2 cups of flour. Number 3. In another medium-sized bowl, combine the eggs, yogurt, and milk. Mix until combined well. Number 4. Put the wet ingredients in the dry ingredients and mix well. Set aside. Number 5. Take the blood orange and a grater. Rub the orange on the smallest grater to make blood orange zest. Set aside. Number 6. Put 5 drops of blue and green food coloring in the mixture of ingredients. Slowly mix it until it turns light green. Number 7. Put the orange zest in the mixture and mix slowly. Number 8. Get out the muffin tray and put 7 muffin wrappers in their spots. Divide the batter equally between the wrappers. Drop of blue food coloring on the top of each muffin and spread it around with a toothpick to look like an ocean. Number 10. Put the muffins in the oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Number 11. Take the muffins out and serve on a pretty plate with blood orange on the side to sprinkle on top. Happy Earth Day! Enjoy! Thank you for watching my video, and again, thank you to my dad who helped me make the recipe and helped me make the muffins.